That one's gonna be fun, huh? Yes. What do you want so far? 2 for 2. Here's another one. Wait, dang! That's dangly dang for you to grab. Alright. Sorry, next year you can open all your stuff. Look, the littlest mouse. Yeah. That's gonna be a good one. We'll add that to the library. This one's from Uncle Boogies and Aunt Sher's. You're gonna like it. Look! It's got your name on it! And Mickey Mouse! Do you like it? I think so. I love it. Let's go comfy! Mom's gotta pick up the pace. Got a lot of gifts to get through. Yeah, this one's from Garrett and Grace. It's so true. You are Mommy's monster. Do you like? Yeah, you do. Oh, it's gonna be a comfy one. Yay. You're my monster. I think this one is. Yes, it's also from Gary. Ooh. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Look at. I think he might. It's gonna be a new friend. Oh, you like? Say thank you, Garrett and Grace. I'm very excited. Nice, this one's from Santa. Ooh.